Hey Divas, so in today's video we are going to be talking all things fragrance. I want to go ahead and say thank you to Dossier for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So today I am super excited to be bringing this video to you guys because, honey, we got a candle. Dossier makes candles. Not only do they make yummy scents, but they make candles. I mean, need I say more? If you are at this point in the video and you have no idea who Dossier is, let me go ahead and reintroduce them to you on this channel. And I also have a whole playlist, so if you want to get more familiar with them after this video, definitely feel free to go ahead and check that out. The Dossier is a fragrance line where they specialize in luxurious fragrances, but for a fraction of the cost of the regular luxury fragrances, okay? And although you are getting it for an affordable price, they do not skimp out on the luxury, okay? You're going to be smelling fabulous, feeling fabulous, and just living your best life with these fragrances, okay? Also want to let you guys know that they have a 30-day guarantee, so if you should not like your fragrance for any reason, as long as it is sealed, you are able to go ahead and return your fragrance within 30 days, okay? So that is really, really good. I think that's amazing. So shout out to Dossier for not only providing us with affordable fragrances, but if you don't like it, you return it. Like, money back guarantee. That's amazing. That's how you know they are like about their business. Today we have one of Dossier's newest products. This is their candle. Yes, they make candles. Not only are you gonna be smelling yummy, but your house could be smelling yummy, or wherever it is that you put this candle, okay? So I'm super excited. So it says Love at First Match on here, which I think is so cute. And I just love their minimalistic recyclable packaging. Like, I just love it. So anywho, once you open it, it does still come with the card, just like the fragrances do. So today I have the candle in Floriental Vanilla. I also have the matching fragrance. We will talk about that fragrance later, but I'm super excited about this candle. So they do tell you the notes on this little card and everything that you need to know about this, okay? So we're gonna get right into the notes. So the top notes are mandarin, pear, pink pepper, and licorice. The middle notes is jasmine and orange blossom. The base notes is cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. This one is inspired by YSL Black Opium perfume, and it has a 12% concentration. And the most exciting part, which is the candle, right? And oh my gosh, this smells so freaking good. Like, the perfume is already iconic, and to have it in a candle is just, what more could you ask for? So here is how the candle looks. Their packaging is so minimalistic, yet so very clean and elegant and just very classy. I really, really do love it. It has the name on there, and here is the actual candle and the wick, and it just smells so amazing, and it has beautiful, beautiful packaging. You guys, this candle just smells so amazing. It smells just like the perfume, and the perfume is already to die for. Like, oh my gosh, Floriental Vanilla is actually my favorite, so I'm so glad that I got to receive some, because I actually ran out of my Floriental Vanilla. It's like literally empty, so I was like, I needed this. But yeah, this candle, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to just be home and just burning this like while it's raining and just getting that ambiance, and then I could spray my Floriental Vanilla on my body and just be home and watch movies and just smell so good. This candle smells absolutely amazing. So this candle is 5 ounces, so it is a very decent size. And I also wanted to include that I do have a coupon code, so if you guys want to try out this candle or any fragrances or anything, I will leave my coupon code down in the description box below, so make sure you use that for some coins off. It just smells so good. Like, I can't believe that they got this scent in a candle. Like, you would never think that you would find a candle that could just smell this good. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the perfume. So here's the perfume. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it in case you have never seen an unboxing of Dossier. If you are not new to my channel, I'm so sorry, but we gotta represent for the new people, you know, just in case they haven't seen it. So once you open up the packaging, it says iconic scents, designer quality, and no markups, okay? And that is very true, and we are also gonna be talking about the price point. And I'll go ahead and tell you guys, or no, it's the same scents. It's the same scent, okay? So it has the same notes, and once you go to the website, it also tells you that also, so you don't have to worry about it. And then of course you have your perfume here, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and take that out because I'm actually going to be wearing this tonight because I am going to be just lounging at home. So let me go ahead and spray myself. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I smell so good right now. I wish I could let you guys smell because it just smells so good. So yes, this is Floriental Vanilla, and I'm so glad to have a new bottle because, as I said before, like, my Floriental Vanilla is all gone, okay? It's dearly departed. It's no more. So I'm so glad to have this one. This one smells very, very good. I love this for all year round, to be quite honest. But for the fall time and winter time, I would wear this in the daytime, whereas in like spring and summer, I will categorize it more of a night scent. But that's just my personal opinion. You could wear your perfumes whenever you want to, but I'm just giving you a little insight about how I feel about it. It's just an amazing fragrance because you get the sweet, and then you get that patchouli, you know, where you have kind of like that stronger fragrance, but it's not too strong, and then it's sweet at the same time. So you get a little bit of everything. You don't have to worry about it being too sweet or too not masculine, too musky or anything like that. It just has all the elements of just everything that you need to smell yummy. Let's get right into the price point, okay? That is my favorite part of all, okay? Because you can have luxury for the low, okay? So the original YSL Black Opium ranges from $78 to $130, whereas this Floriental Vanilla is $29. Yes, and you get all of this whole bottle for just $29. Now, I don't know about you, but honey, I bought just the sample of the Black Opium and it was $31. Just the sample, the little, you know, yeah, the little travel size. And this whole bottle, I have it for $29. And I mean, so the price points are definitely different, but the quality and everything is definitely the same. Like, this perfume lasts so long. It's just so amazing, and I'm just blown away, okay? This always has me smelling very yummy. One of the reasons why I'm out of it, because I just really love this perfume. Like, it's just my go-to. Like, if I literally don't know what I want to wear, I will just go for Floriental Vanilla and I'm good to go. Like, I'm good in all settings, whether it's a work setting, out with the girls, out on a date, whatever it is, I am good to go, okay? Because this just smells yummy, and I always get compliments on this. So yeah, I would definitely highly recommend this. It smells amazing. I think you would love this smell, okay? And yeah, if you just want to smell yummy, of course, like, get this. So yeah, divas, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in this candle or this fragrance, I will have a link down in the description box below for you guys to check out. And also, if you guys want to save some money, definitely go ahead and use my coupon code so that you guys can receive a discount at checkout, okay? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking. Let me know, what is some of your signature fragrances? What fragrances have you tried from Dossier, or are you curious about? And once again, I do have a Dossier playlist, so if you guys are interested in that, definitely go ahead and check it out to see like which ones I have reviewed. I've reviewed quite a few, so definitely go ahead and check it out to see what you think, if you need more help with picking your fragrance. And yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.